All right, so we had some audio issues with this, and what we're doing in this video is we're unboxing the box that we've received in the mail from Barrel Chronicles. This is how you're going to receive the package. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and cut it open, and we will pull out those contents as we would receive them, being a customer. We'll pull out that bubble wrap, and we will pull that 1 liter barrel out. So we still have it wrapped in that cellophane. We don't have any laser engraving on this one. It will come with a stand. You also have your pack of instructions that include your bung as well as your spigot. There's also a set of instructions that are going to guide you through how to do this. It's a QR code that takes you to the website. There we just pulled out the Amberana wood chips. There's also going to be 2 stickers inside this container. We're going to have a bottle sticker as well as the Barrel Chronicles sticker. And that's that QR code we just spoke about. It's going to sit there and kind of walk you through, tell you how to find it on the website. We'll set that aside. We will go ahead and start getting into this barrel. I did find that bottle sticker in there, and that's what that looks like. Set it aside. Move that envelope. So if you're already ordering this with laser engraving on it, chances are we're going to have this removed just because we've had to put it under the laser already. There's that Barrel Chronicles sticker that comes in every package. Now we've got that clean and clear, and it's going to actually make a mess because we still have all that charred wood. We still have all that debris in there. The instructions do say to go ahead and fill it up. That way we can kind of wash that out. But with it being me, I'm not too worried about it. We have a boiling pot of water behind us. We're going to throw that spigot in there, just kind of let it absorb some of that water. What that does is it allows that wood to expand. We'll bring it back to the barrel, and we will go ahead and just kind of tap that in there. We don't want to split the wood. It doesn't have to be too terribly tight because that water will seal it by swelling it. A little hot. Probably not the smartest move by me. We're going to go grab a a mallet to go ahead and tap that in there. So we're going to line that up the best that we can, kind of push it in there by hand, and then just lightly tap it. There's no need to hammer this thing home. We just want to create that seal. Should be good. And now what we're going to do is we're going to move this barrel back over on its stand to the paint container that we're grabbing right here. Paint pan. This is probably going to be one of the best tools to use. That way we don't have any, we can contain any spillage that we might have. So let's go ahead and set that on the stove top. Later, you're going to find out that we do have that spigot open. We're going to try to make sure it's completely closed. But sometimes you do have to go back in there. We'll transfer all that water over. And what this does is it rapidly swells that barrel. A lot of times they say to use warm water. I like boiling hot water just because it's going to be so hot. It's going to pressurize the vessel. It's going to make sure that I push more of that water into the horse wood. So once we're done with that, there we go. That's where we were leaking a little bit. But once we're done with this, what we're going to do is we're going to put that bung back in and make sure that we have that nice tight seal. All right, so now we've got the barrel completely filled. It'll take about, the way I do it is I wait about 2 hours. I wait for the outside of the barrel to completely dry and show no signs of any water escaping, roughly 2 to 5 hours. What we'll do after that is we will take the amber on the wood chips. We will immediately put them back inside that barrel after we remove the water. And then I think what we're going to do is we are going to go with a Blue Note Juke Joint whiskey. This is the uncut, unfiltered. This is the hand selected by Chattanooga. It's currently the bottle in the Chattanooga market. So barrel number is going to be 17899. Proof's going to be 125.4, 62.7% ABV. So we've done this once before on a larger scale. It's on the website. You can check it out on BC Experiments. Pretty cool. We'll walk you through it, or you can take what we do here. Like I said, we'll pop the top on this, pour it in there, throw the wood chips in. We'll let it sit for about 3 weeks, and then we will pull it out and taste test it. So give me 2 hours with this thing sealing. We will get it back over here, we'll drain it, and we'll get to work on this. Thank you guys.